Hi everyone, my name's Samantha Keith. My job title is I'm a counselor. I work in a lot of different programs, so I'm an attendance counselor, I'm a crisis prevention counselor, um, I'm also a certified Triple P counselor. If you don't know what Triple P is, it's a positive parenting program. It's a model for parents who are struggling maybe a little bit. If their child's having some behavioral issues, it just walks through possible consequences, how to do praise, different things like that. Um, my experience in working with families, I feel like I've been very fortunate. I've had a lot of experiences with families, um, some great, some bad. um, I work with mainly people who live in poverty, who have a lot of mental health issues. Um, I live in an area where it seems to be a lot of generational trauma, a lot of stuck in this cycle because they were never given the opportunity to break it. Um, so that is what I work with mainly on a daily basis. My program's funded through CYF and JPO. So I work with children and youth a lot of with probation. So I see a lot of people who are in a really rough spot and trying their best to figure things out. And a lot of the times, unfortunately, I also work with people who are mandated to have counseling. So I'm typically not their favorite person. Sometimes I get no-showed a lot, but just always trying to show up and help people to the best of my ability. My family system, I feel like I come from a nuclear family, if you will. My parents have always had a very loving relationship. They've been together since they were 17, high school sweethearts. I have two younger brothers, so both my parents have worked my whole life, so I've taken on that third parent role. Very much a caregiver, always have been. I've taken that on a young age. So, I'm 10 years older than my youngest brother, so I've always just been a second mom. I've really taken that on even now that he's 15. I'm still feel like I'm a mom. I help him with whatever he needs at any time. Um, that really impacts my role with my clients. I've been going through a period of guilt, I guess. I love my job. I love my work. I love helping people. It's very demanding. It requires a lot from me. So I'm going through this period where I feel like I don't have much of a balance of work and personal life balance, where I feel like I'm giving up a lot of my time, especially being in crisis work like I am, sacrificing some of my time with my family to go and help people and do my job and be where I'm needed to be when I need to be there. But I'm pushing through that, and life goes on, as they say. I don't really have any burning questions. I'm just really looking forward to learning more about family systems and the different theories, and I'm always looking for interventions to just implement with my families, gain a deeper understanding of how these theories can impact the different people that I work with. But I look forward to getting to know everybody and working with you throughout this course.